Fancy hens look like normal hens, but in drag. They're amazing. So we want to get hens and possibly a donkey and a cart.
I'm not so sure about the donkey. This is completely James's idea.
If you live in Dublin and you decided to up sticks to the country, do you think it would be a simpler life? Would you enjoy the sound of birdsong replacing the hum of traffic? Could you survive without Deliveroo or Just Eat?
I started off with Sex in the City. I was, I wanted to be Samantha Jones, live in Manhattan, I'll have that whole life. Then William came along, he's from Cork. During COVID especially, we spent a lot of time down there, kind of months at a time. And I kind of started to realise I was happier in the countryside. What I valued changed a bit. One thing as well, I wanted a garden and couldn't afford that in Dublin.
Have you bought now? Have
Yes.
you bought? So you're kind of,
We're-
you'll never get back to the city.
When you take that leap of faith, it's kind of like there's no going back. Our friends who were in Dublin kind of were talking about like how they were never going to see us again, and like it was almost like a death.
Felt like other people's reactions were way more dramatic than what we were like, we're just moving like an hour and a bit away. It's
Yeah.
not that,
You can you can feasibly sort of come up in the morning, have a full day in Dublin, and then head off home again in the evening. It's
and the
totally
Deliveroo
doable.
thing and like instant coffee is only when we're pressed. When someone says, "What? Surely I missed something," and it's like, well, if you really want to, it's maybe Deliveroo. But what we've gained has just outweighed any sort of stuff we've lost.